Okay. Start with question 16. Simran. Engage in the various types of activities. Gives the following particulars of her income for the year ending. Profit of business of consumer and household products. Loss of business of ready-made garments. Brought forward loss of catering business which was closed in AY 1670. Short-term loss in sale of securities and shares. Securities. Profit of speculative business entered in the year. Loss on speculative 1213 not yet set off. Yeah, this numberings will have to check. 1670 is going on 1670. So 5 years. No, so it is gone. That's why 5 years. 4 years, not 5 years. 4 years. Let's lapse, correct. Calculate GT and losses to be carried forward. Yes, can we do? Chalo. Loss and income. Profit of business and consumer and household products. Household business income, then ready-made garments business loss, no? Business. Then brought forward catering business loss. Is it allowed? All of these are normal business loss. Normal business income or normal business loss. So if the business is discontinued, that is not a concern. And it will be allowed for 8 years. So we can set this off. STCL. Short term capital loss. Okay, on sale of shares. Profit. Speculative business profit. Speculative income. Profit, no? Speculative business. And then we have brought forward speculative transaction. That will be written as notes because it is not going to help you here. Yes or no? It is gone, no? That will write as notes. Chalo, yes, no, yes, no. Normal business loss, normal business income. Yes or no? Then normal business loss, speculative business income. Yes. Good. Brought forward catering business loss. That is normal business loss brought forward. Allowed or not?
Yes.
Yes. And speculative?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
No?
Like brought forward.
So? Yes, no?
Any other head no. Brought forward.
How much is the income of speculative? Correct, done. We can set up. There will be still lots of balance, but no problem. STCL, can we set up only against LTCG or STCG? So not both of them is right now? No. Correct? Done? So computation of what income? Correct. Computation of gross total income. Of Simran for PY 1920 AY 2021. Particulars rupees. Fine. First head of income we have, or there is only actually one head of income, EGBP. Correct? So profit from household products. Inner column, how much? 2 lakhs, correct? Can we set off something?
Yes.
Yes. Then loss from ready-made garment business, correct? How much? The loss is 3 lakhs, we can set off obviously 2 lakhs. Outer column, nil, correct. Then we have another business or any other income we have? Which one? Speculative business profit or income. How much?
12,500.
12,500 less. Can we set off? We can still set off the ready-made garment. See, all of this as it is our normal business incomes and normal business loss except speculative income, correct? So that we can add again if you want loss from ready-made. Is 12,500. Again outer column nil. That is your gross total income. Fine. Note number 1. Losses to be carried forward. Losses to be carried forward. Particulars and rupees and number of years. Under that, you can say normal business loss. Fine. So here you can add the total losses. Earlier it was what? 3 lakhs. Then you set off 2 lakhs. Then you set off 15,000 or 12,000? 12,500. Okay. And then you can add the other business loss. Which one he has? Okay. No, but the years will differ. Is there any other current loss? No. Huh? In the normal business. Correct? So what? 87,500?
Yes.
To be carried forward for 8 years. Then brought forward business loss. Which one? The catering business loss is of how much? 15,000. Did we set it off? Not yet. 15,000. It relates to AY. 16, 17, that is PY. 15, 16, total were 8 years. Correct? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 years already over. So next again 4 years. Yes or no? 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 years done. So another 4 years. And thirdly, STCL, how much? Short term, 15,000. It is current year, no? So 8 years. Right? We'll write down that. Good. Speculative. Okay, speculative loss of PY. 15, 16. How much rupees? No. It is 11, 12. Rupees 15,000. Is it right? 14 4 years, correct. Lapsed in PY 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2015, 16. Therefore, can't be set off. Can't be carried forward, so it's there, but set off and carried forward. That is it. 14 is done.
Yes, 14 done. 15 done. 15 and 17.
70. Try this 17. We didn't do yesterday. I see. Try everyone. With 47. Win? Total income you have, salary income? HP Income, no. Anyway, is positive. Business, normal business. Income, speculative income. LTCG, racehorse loss, racehorse business. Gambling is not relevant. Depreciation allowable comes to 8,000 for which no treatment is given as above. So in business income, we will first reduce depreciation of current and depreciation. Then there is unabsorbed depreciation that is brought forward. No? Unabsorbed depreciation. Correct? Then brought forward speculative loss. Then STCL. Yes, everyone? Okay. Racehorse business loss can be set up only against racehorse business income. Yes or no? So no, 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 no. Fine. Unabsorbed depreciation can be set off from any head of income except salary. What? Sorry? Achha, salary is there, no? Salary is there in the question, so yes, not allowed. Speculative loss can be set off only against speculative income. Is there a speculative income? Yes, so only there we will say yes. Rest of them are no, no, no. And STCL can be set up only against STCG or LTCG. So LTCG is there, yes. So only for LTCG, yes. Rest of them, no, no, no. Correct, everyone? Now we begin. Done? So computation of gross total income. Of Mr. P for PY 1920 AY 2021 particulars rupees. Yes, everyone. First income, which head of income? Salaries. As is. No set off at all? No, 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 no. So directly take outer column how much? 18,000. Then income from house, property. Under that again we say NAV, inner column how much? 70,000 less what? Do we have interest on borrowed capital? No. You're getting income, so to assume what it is, let out or whatever, will take what? Standard deduction at the rate of 30% under section 21,000. How much it is? 49,000. Are we setting off something from HP income? Unabsorbed depreciation. I think it will be available. For that, you have to check that also. In business, you can utilize it. Business income you can reduce unabsorbed depreciation. Okay. Are you following or no? So you have to go to now the next head of income. If over there it is not sufficient, you cannot satisfy in business, then again you have to come back here and set off the unabsorbed depreciation. Okay. Third one, PGBP. Under that, okay, income from business. Normal business is how much? 80,000. First, what will you reduce? Which year? Which year depreciation? Current year depreciation. How much? 8,000. Balance 72. Then to whom you give the preference? There is no current business loss or any other business loss? Okay. So obviously what remains is only unabsorbed depreciation. Correct? Correct? How much it is? So we don't have to reduce it from HP, no? Everyone? 63? Fine? We have one more income from the same head of income. Speculative business income. It's calculated. How much is the income? 12,000. 12,000. Can we reduce something from there? Unabsorbed we have completely utilized. So we can reduce brought forward speculative loss. Good. How much the loss is brought forward? 16. So we can set off. That is it. Another head of income we have. So capital gains we have. Correct, no? Fourth head of income, capital gains. Under that what do we have? LTCG, STCG, what do we have? LTCG on sale of land 15,800. Check again in the table. What can we reduce from LTCG? Unabsorbed is gone, so STCL only. Correct? Good. Less. STCL. How much? 7,800. Balance is 8,000. Okay. Anything else? We have income. iOS do we have? iOS losses are there, but then okay, we'll have to put that as a notes. Correct or wrong? That is it. How much is the amount over here? 1,38,000. Gross total income. ठीक है. How much? 1,38,000. Everyone? Notes. Losses to be carried forward. Losses to be carried forward. Particulars. Rupees. Number of years. Again, go to the question always. Okay, always check in the question. LTC, loss on maintenance of race horses. Correct? How much is the loss? 9,000? Yes? Is it current year?
Yes.
Correct. Could not be set off. What will you do? Carry forward for 4 years. Second, loss on gambling. Good. Loss on gambling 8,000. Dead loss cannot be cannot be carried forward. One more loss. Speculative is set off. No, something is remaining. Okay. Brought forward speculative loss. How much was the original loss? Huh?
16,000.
16,000. How much did we set off?
12,000.
12. So balance 4,000. How many years? 4 years. Wrong answer. It was already brought forward from PY. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This was your last year. Loss has lapsed. Therefore, cannot or can't be carried forward. Oh my God. Hmm? Done? Is 15 done? 1 5? मजा आएगा. Start. Oi. Hmm? Solve. Come on, try. 15. Income from business before adjusting following items. Brought forward business loss of AY 1415. Current depreciation, unabsorbed depreciation. So basically, you have to determine the priority of set-off. Income from HP, gross annual value. Municipal taxes paid. Mr. Krishna sold Noida plot for 6,40,000, which was purchased by him in 2013 for 4,10,000. LTCA on sale of shares sold through recognized stock exchange, 112A loss. Then LTCG on sale of debentures, must. Dividend on shares held as stock in trade, IOLs exempt, correct? Dividend from a company carrying on agri business again does not matter, again exempt. During the year, Mr. Krishna has repaid 1,67,000 towards housing loan from a scheduled bank. From that 167, 97 is towards interest, rest is towards principal. Right? Are there losses? Which losses are there? I think there are. The main question is not about set-off of losses actually.
LTCL.
LTCL is there. We can set off LTCL from only LTCL. That is not a problem. And then brought forward business loss is how much?
175.
Brought forward business loss is 70,000. So just looking at the question, you can say that can be adjusted against current year business income. So we don't have to prepare the table. That is what I am saying. Which losses to be adjusted against which income? There are only two losses: brought forward business loss and LTCL. That is it, isn't it? So we can directly jump on calculation of the question. Okay. Yeah. Because it comes under IOS. Computation of net taxable income. Huh? Of Mr. Krishna for PY 1920 AY 2021 particulars rupees. Is there income from salaries? No. So income from business? Okay. Income from HP. That is correct. Income from house property. We have directly now gross annual value, everyone. How much is gross annual value? 4,32,000. Less what? Municipal taxes paid. How much it is given to us? 32,000. So convenient. 4 lakh is, do you remember? Net annual value. Yes. So give me income from HP final figure. 1 lakh. Very smart. So less deduction under section 24. A is standard deduction at the rate of 30% of NAV. 1 lakh 20. Correct, no? And then B was interesting, is interest on borrowed capital. How much? 97,000. How much? 1 lakh? 83,000? Okay. You can take it in outer column, or right now you can give it in inner column. There will be reference of PGBP also over here. Okay. Done? Second one. PGBP or business income. How much is given before? 1,75,000 before all the adjustments. Less first what? This is very important. Current year depreciation. Very good. How much? 40,000?
Yes.
Balance 35? Correct, no? Now watch. Check the priority of Setoff. Very important. Less brought forward business loss. Is it within the time frame? It relates to which year? AY 14, 15, PY 13, 14. So for this 4 years, 6 years, how much? 6 years. No? 6 years, it is within our 8 years period, no problem. 70,000. Balance? Huh?
65,000.
65,000. Okay. Now what can we reduce?
Unabsorbed depreciation.
And absorbed depreciation is how much total?
155.
155. We'll obviously set up only how much? Outer column? Dash. Correct? So therefore, over here, balance unabsorbed is how much now?
90,000.
It was 1,55,000, yes. Minus 65,000 is 90,000. Correct, no? Can it be reduced from other heads of income? Any head of income, no? Except salaries. Do we have LTCG?
Yes.
So keep this pending. Much preferable to reduce from LTCG. Are you following or no? But keep this pending, but keep that in mind also, okay? Are you following this, everyone? Okay, good. Okay, now again which head of income? Capital gain, no? Capital gain. First one under that. Shall we? LTCG, it is computed. So good for you. Sale of debentures. First incomes, okay, how much? 60,000. No. First take all the income, then we'll reduce the LTCL. No? Then again you have to see unabsorbed depreciation. So take all the gains first and then the loss. Gains for now which case?
Plot 1.
On sale of plot. It is as good as one simple question of LTCG. Come on. 5 points.
1,400.
Maybe. 1 lakh. Again.
640 minus 538.9.
Is it? Okay. How much?
1 lakh.
Everyone getting same figures? Everyone getting same figures, no? Sale consideration is 6,40,000 less index cost of how much was the original cost of acquisition?
10,000.
4,10,000 into 289. Which year they have taken? 13, 14. So I'll write on the PY 13, 14. CIR is how much?
220.
220. Okay, so it is how much?
5
5 lakh 538 590 591. So LTCG is how much?
1409.
1 lakh 1,409. So that is the only gains right now we have. So plus 60,000 is 1 lakh 61,409. Correct? First preference we give to same head of income. Okay. Incomes are done now. Everyone. Less what? LTCL on sale of listed shares. Correct? How much? 75,000. Balance. Don't take outer column yet. Okay, now 86,409. 86,409. Right, no? Okay. Now, do we have anything to do with CG? Here we can reduce our unabsorbed depreciation. We are allowed to take it anywhere. Yes? बोलो ना. I justified the answer also. You don't pay attention now. Less what? Unabsorbed depreciation. How much? 86,410. Still remaining. How much was balance?
90.
90 still remaining. 86,410. 49 or 49? Now again you can go back over there. Okay, so therefore balance and absorbed depreciation is. It was originally how much? 155, no? Again I'll have to show 1,55,000. From PGBP reduce how much? 65,000. And 86,409. Balance is what? 591. 3591. Correct? So you are reducing 20% tax income, no? So obviously we will prefer that 3591. Go back to HP. Where it is? Your less unabsorbed depreciation. Again over here write down refer. You will again revise, it will be a little bit complicated. Refer CG. Okay, we are coming back actually. Yes or no? Again you will revise this year, revise this figure is coming here. How much it is? Balance 3591. We will write it as notes, just remind me after this, okay? 3591. Now take it out of column. HP.
1,79,409.
Everyone? What? Yeah. HP. NTI is same. Tax level will be different if you don't reduce it from LDCG, and that will make a big difference, no? In the competition. Done? Anything else? iOS do we have? We'll just write it as, so we have to take the income and then again show as exemption, so we'll have to do it. Point number, we had all the incomes, salary we had? No. So point number 4, income from watch other sources. Again for the sake of presentation. Correct? Dividend. Yes or no? Dividend on shares held as stock in trade. How much? 22,000. Point number 2. Dividend from agri company. Doesn't matter at all. Correct? See this, they are giving you purpose to test whether you are exempting it under 10(1) or 10(34). The company can be in any business, doesn't matter. Your income is not their income, no? Your income is dividend. Correct? Which is exempt under section 1034, not 10(1). How much? 10,000. 32,000. What will you say? That is it. We want what? Net taxable income, no? Everyone. So this is gross total income. How much? 179. 409. Will we round off? No, we want net. Let what net taxable? So less what? First, write down. You may not know this. Correct. Section 80C, housing loan. We have done this actually. No? In HP, though, obviously we want to discuss it so many times. Housing loan principal. How much is the amount? 167 minus 97. No. 70,000. Correct. And as far as possible, remove LTCG from the taxability. Now again you have to check whether chapter 6 is allowed, not allowed. It is another headache. So 1,09,409 is rounded off to
1,09,410.
क्या होता है? Rounded off under section A. Now income is A, tax is B. Notes.
Sir, wait,
What?
wait for
1 minute. Notes. Point number 1. Unabsorbed depreciation can be set off from any head of income except salaries. What? Full stop. We try to set off available from LTCG since it is taxed at higher rate, that is 20%. Yes or no? Is there a loss to be carried forward? Nothing, no? Done? Understood? So from business then we go to directly CG, and then from CG we are going to HP. Correct? Done? 18 is done. Question 1. Camels, dogs, cats, cheetah. Check question number 1. Simran, again she came here. She does this also. Activity of owning and maintaining race camel for races. He had a loss. But camels are not horses, correct? And horses are not camels. So syllogism, है ना? उसको पूछ syllogism कैसे था? So write down. So that logic is not applicable over here. Write down. In case of loss relating to in case of loss अभी अब परमिशन मिली है ना in case of loss relating to owning and maintaining camels for races, it will be treated as correct. Normal business. Normal business which can be set off which head of income? Any head of income except salary. Very good. Full stop. Also, it can be carried forward for? Yes, that is major difference, no? So that horse race could be set up only against horse race. Here we can set up against any, just like a normal business. Question 2 remaining. Which is remaining? Nineteenth remaining. 2021. See you tomorrow. You cannot do it now. Record a break. Okay, see you next lecture. Bye bye. I know.